everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing fine at your end. So in today's video, I'm going to share the recipe of a very healthy but yes, a very simple dish. So today I'm going to share the recipe of Sabudana Khichdi, which is prepared by using minimum number of ingredients. Like the Sabudana Khichdi that I have prepared in this video, I have used only cumin seeds and some diced potatoes if you want. And I have used of course soaked sabudana, and I have used roasted and crushed peanuts, some salt, and while serving I used some coriander leaves to garnish. That's it. So you see, using minimum number of ingredients, this dish is prepared and it is delicious, trust me. So yeah, I would like to share a few points that we basically prefer having Sabudana ki khichdi for breakfast, and sometimes we have it for evening snacks as well. And there are many days when we prefer having something light for dinner, and that's when we prefer having the Sabudana ki khichdi for dinner as well. So when I prefer having Sabudana ki khichdi for breakfast, I soak the sabudana in water overnight, so that just as soon as I wake up I can just prepare my breakfast and I can have it. And then when I feel like having the Sabudana ki khichdi for dinner, so that's when I prefer soaking it in water just after having lunch. The duration from the lunch till the dinner is enough to get it perfectly soaked in water. And yes, before you use this sabudana for your recipe, you have to drain the water and wash it a little bit, and then again drain the water, and then you can use this sabudana for your this recipe. So without wasting much time, let's get started.
So if you like this recipe, do give it a try and let me know in the comment section below how was it. Till then, take care, bye-bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such cooking and travel vlogs.